Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter 20, mineral based industry. Today we will discuss electronic industry. Electronic industry developed in India in 1950s. It began with radio manufacturing, but presently it has diversified into new areas. These new areas are space exploration, defense equipments, medical diagnosis, communication, IT, computer systems. You know, the electronic industry is one of the fastest growing industries in India. Exporter of vast range of electronic components and products. For example, for display technologies. Display technology means a surface area upon which text, graphics and videos are temporarily made to appear for human viewing, like LCD or OLED. Other areas are entertainment electronics, optical storage devices, passive components. Passive components are transformers which do not generate power. The Indian Telephone Industry, ITI, it is the first government undertaking set up near Bengaluru in 1950. The products are equipments for post and telegraph department, railways, defense, overseas communication, electricity board, automatic telephone switching systems, teleprinter exchanges, long distance transmission systems. It has its manufacturing units, 2 at Bengaluru, rest 1 each at Naini, Raebareli, Mankapur, Palkat and Srinagar. The second electronic industry is Electronics Corporation of India Limited, ECIL, which is set up in Hyderabad in 1970. It is a laboratory. The products of this industry are transistorized modular systems for nuclear applications used in medical, agriculture and industrial fields. Other products, metal oxide resistors, analog computers, online digital process control computers. The next electronic industry is Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, set up in Bengaluru in 1956. It deals in electronics and defense services in All India Radio and Meteorological Department. Important contribution in the fields of communication like radar, fire, control system for tanks and optical systems. Space technology, the Apple and INSAT series are launched by the support of electronic industry. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, set up at Bengaluru. It has satellite launching stations at Sriharikota. Next is National Remote Sensing Agency located at Hyderabad. GTO, Geosynchronous Transfer Orbits, comes under this. Then 2 rocks developed by ISRO are PSLV and GSLV. Then Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan 1 and 2. Next is software industry. This is again the fastest growing sector which designs and builds supercomputers. Centers of software industry are Bengaluru and Hyderabad. What is the role of electronic industry in education? It provides high quality in education. The digital electronic boards are replaced by digital electronic boards are replacing the traditional blackboards. Satellites, they help in education. Television and audio next flourished in 1990s. The products of this are mono players, stereo players, car audio systems, etc. And the centers are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Pune. Bengaluru, which is known as India's Silicon Valley. Why? Because it has large number of IT companies and headquarters to the many of the global companies. Bengaluru's is important center due to number 1, it has abundant availability of skilled manpower. It has sound infrastructure and is linked with all parts of the country as well as outside world. Thank you.